Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a cute 3D character collector scenes with Pika AI. So Pika AI is an AI-powered platform that will help you to generate any AI content like maybe amazing images and amazing AI design, so AI talking photo and many more. And in here we will use this tool to create any creative image. And before we start, make sure to click the link in the description and pin comment if you try this Pivot AI yourself. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pivot AI and then go to Image Studio, choose AI Designs, upload your photo that you want to transform like this. And then next, in here, just write your prompt. For I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just feel free edit this prompt, or if you want to create your own prompt, just feel free to create it as you like. And then after that, just choose your AI model and then just choose your ratio and click submit and wait for the process. And okay, like this, you can see your PPTI will create your own cute 3D character, and it holds the cute mini character like this. It's so cute. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.